Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by prepping. Apply a small amount of olive oil to a cotton pad and rub the Mehndi for 30–60 seconds. The oil breaks the stain's surface bond and loosens pigment, so you remove layers rather than grind them in. Once the area softens, mix a drop of dish soap with warm water and blot to lift excess dye. Make sure to test a tiny patch first to avoid irritation, and proceed area by area for controlled removal. Once done with oil lifting, you make a gentle abrasive paste, 1 part baking soda to 1 part water or oil, so the particles physically slough off dye without harsh chemicals. Apply the paste, then buff in small circular motions for 60 to 90 seconds. That friction detaches embedded pigment. After rinsing, assess the color and repeat once or twice if needed, but avoid over-exfoliating. If skin feels raw, stop and moisturize. You finish by rinsing thoroughly, patting dry, and applying a soothing moisturizer or aloe to restore the skin barrier. Hydration prevents rebound darkening. If a trace of Mehndi remains, repeat the oil plus paste routine every 24 hours for up to 3 days rather than overworking skin in one session. Make sure to avoid aggressive treatments on broken skin. If you notice burning, severe redness, or swelling, stop immediately and consult a dermatologist. That's the key troubleshooting tip to prevent lasting damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.